Step 1. Unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Step 2. Open the camera app. If it's on the home screen, tap the camera icon. If not, swipe down from the middle of the home screen and search Camera to open it. Step 3. Make sure Photo mode is selected. Swipe left or right at the bottom until Photo is highlighted. Step 4. Choose your camera. Tap the camera rotate icon to switch between the rear and front selfie camera. Step 5. Frame your shot. Tap the screen to focus and slide the sun icon to adjust brightness. Step 6. Take the photo. Press the white shutter button or either volume button. Step 7. View your photo by tapping the small thumbnail in the corner. All photos are automatically saved in the Photos app. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and if you have questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.